and very good afternoon to all of you, and all of you are welcome in Chemistry with Arunav. Now, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of class 12, that is chapter number 7, P block elements. Now, let us start. What do you mean by P block elements? The elements for which the last electron enters into the p orbital are known as p block element. Elements belonging group 13 to group 18 of periodic table are known as p block element, and group 18 is inert group because it has completely filled valence shell configuration, and the main element of this particular group is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Helium is exceptional because it is an example of S block element. Now move on to the next point, general electronic configuration of p block element. How one can write the general valence shell electronic configuration of p block element? It has general valence shell electronic configuration ns2 to np to the power 1 to 6, and all those elements which following this valence shell configuration range are known as p block element. Now, representative elements. All the elements belonging group 1, 2 and group 13 to group 17, which are mainly of S and P blocks in the periodic table, are known as representative element or main group element. Now move on to the next point, that is inert fear effect. This is very important point that we have to understood, and let us try to understand what is the meaning of inert pair effect. As we have stated earlier, that the general valence shell electronic configuration of p block element is ns2 to the power np1 to np6, but the tendency of ns2 electron pair to participate in bond formation get decreases as the size of the atom goes on increasing, and as a result of which the higher oxidation state become less stable as compared to that of lower oxidation state, as a result of which the in particular p block group, on descending down the group, the stability of high oxidation state become minimum and that of low oxidation state become maximum. This effect is known as inert pair effect. Now, why it is called inert pair effect? Because on moving down the group, tendency of ns2 electron pair to participate in bond formation get decreases, and that is why the ns electron remains inert during the bond formation, and as a result of which the higher oxidation state get less stable as compared to that of lower oxidation state. If a question is arise that why the higher oxidation state is unstable down the group in a p block element, the answer is inert pair effect, because as the size increases, the stability of the high oxidation state become minimized due to not taking participation of bond formation by the two electrons present in s orbital. I hope that you have understood this concept clearly, inert pair effect. So, in this small session, I have discussed about the general introduction of p block elements. In my next segment, I will talk about the p block series in individual form like group 15, group 16, group 17 and group 18. Group 13 and group 14 you have read in your class 11 standard. I hope that you have enjoyed this session, and if you like this particular lecture, then I am requesting all of you to subscribe this channel so that you can get lots of such type of videos which will be very helpful for your examination point of view. And if anybody want to connect with me personally, then he or she can drop a comment by using my WhatsApp number, that is 9608446005. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. टिल देन गुड बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.